How to replace the knobs on a Chevy Cobalt Pontiac G6. Most Chevys are similar. They just pop out. And this one's got a special position it has to go into because there's some spots, the centerpiece, where it's wider than the others. So I literally just pried it out, pops back in. Hopefully get it all the way in. Turn the ignition on. So we'll turn it off. I guess that's another story. And these buttons here just pop off. I usually pop them off the top and bottom. Now it's got a USB, so that's the better radio. And I grabbed ones with numbers. I said, that's cool, let's put some numbers on there. These are shorter, so they won't fit. I grabbed some with the lines like I have across. And these are shorter. These won't fit. So I'm going to switch them. I have another radio. I'm just going to switch them off because the other radio is locked. So that's it. Just pop them in and out. And that's all you have to do. I popped this one out a couple times. So hopefully that helps you. And just try to make sure they're long or short. And any shop can unlock them too if you need to. To unlock the radios. It's not that big of a deal. As long as they got a real code scanner machine. One of those tablets, they can unlock these things. I just don't want to have to go in and get another one unlocked. So you don't need to go to a dealer. This one was locked at a junkyard. A local mechanic fixed it with his little tablet in about 10 minutes. He hasn't done it in a while. They go under the body control module functions to do it. So hopefully that helps, gives you an idea. And don't be scared, just rip them off and pop them in. Top, bottom, little teeny screwdriver, and you'll be fine. And I got tons of these little things. So.